The International Organization for Standardization, ISO, developed ISO 22000-2018 to help companies determine, prevent, and diminish foodborne hazards in food and feed chains. The publication of the revised Food Safety Management System, which is known as ISO 22000-2018, includes a transition period of 3 years for certified companies. We can see that the global food supply chain is facing growing challenges due to commerce, digitalization, business diversity, and hazards. Why hazard controls matters in the food and feed industries. ISO states that globalization impacts and consequently complicates food safety. Therefore, companies must apply controls in every process or stage to remove hazards. This is why ISO 22000 was developed by stakeholders who are involved in food safety organizations. These include industry and research, consumers, consulting, and governance. The transition period. Companies that have a 2005 certification must shift to the 2018 version by 19 June 2021. By that time, the 2005 edition will expire. This revision applies to companies in the food and feed sectors, regardless of the industry, location, or size. Organizations must familiarize themselves with the changes. According to Head of Sector, Environment, Social and Governance, David Thatcher of the British Standards Institution Sustainability in Food, ISO 22000 provides a framework for an organization of any size or sector to implement a food safety management system based on best practice guidance. Why move to ISO 22000-2018? The revised Food Safety Management System provides a new approach to risk. It now makes a distinction between the management system's business and the operation levels. Likewise, it gives strong connections to Codex Alimentarius. It is a collection of internationally recognized standards, guidelines, codes of practice, and recommendations related to food production, and food safety. Furthermore, the revision makes it simpler for companies and organizations to integrate ISO 22000 with other management systems. In this way, your company can integrate ISO 22000 with other relevant management systems like ISO 14001 and ISO 9001. ISO 22000-2018 also combines the principles of hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP, prerequisite programs, PRPs, systems management, and interactive communication. For more information and free resources about the ISO 22000, click on the description section to learn more about ISO 22000. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.